Feel better. Think clearer. Heal deeper. Backed by science. Trusted by NASA. Formulated by Dr. Kedar Prasad. Your body's under siege. Pollution, stress, EMF radiation. Microdaily is your cellular shield. Built to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation at the root. The science behind the supplement. Formulated by Dr. Kedar Prasad, micronutrient pioneer trusted by NASA, NIH, and the Nobel Prize Committee. Over $24 million and 6 years of research. Designed to support immune health, mental clarity, and cellular repair. Start your cellular comeback today. Click the link in the bio for more information to a healthier you.